hair color. Hey everyone, it's Al. Welcome back to my small kitchen. Today we're going to be making some spinach artichoke dip. So the things you need are 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, 4 garlic cloves minced, half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of parmesan cheese, 1 cup of sour cream, 1.5 cups of mozzarella, 2 14-ounce cans of artichoke hearts, 16 ounces of cream cheese, 1 roasted bell pepper, 16 ounces of spinach, 1 large bowl, 1 large saute pan, and a baking dish. So the first thing you're going to want to do in your saute pan is add a little bit of oil or butter. You're going to add in your garlic in there. Make sure your flame is on medium heat. And it's going to want to brown the garlic up just a little bit. Once you do, you're going to add in your spinach. So once your garlic has browned a bit, you're going to want to add in your bag of spinach. You're going to want to add the entire thing. So now, this is all gonna wilt down. So don't worry if it overfills. You're going to do this with the rest of your spinach bag. So while your spinach is cooking down, you're going to want to cut up your roasted bell pepper. You're going to cut this in half. Take off the stem. Take off the seeds also. Now you're going to cut it into strips. And then you're going to dice them. You'll want them to be a little small. Maybe half this size. This should be good. You do that to the rest of your bell pepper. So once you're done cutting the bell peppers, you're going to want to chop up your artichokes. So I drained the juice from my artichokes. And I'm just going to chop them up into smaller pieces. Chop it really good so they're really small pieces. And do that to the rest of your artichokes. So once you're done breaking down your spinach, it should look a little something like this. As you see, it's like a lot less than it was from that giant bag. But once it finished rendering down, I squeezed out most of the water from it. And I use the strainer. We can also use a cloth to like squeeze it all out. So once you're done doing that, you're going to want to add in your cream cheese in your large bowl. Just the second one. You're going to add in the mozzarella, parmesan, sour cream. So you're basically just dumping everything in the bowl right now. The mayonnaise. Pepper. Just give this a mix right now. Put down the cream cheese a bit. And make sure your cream cheese is softened so So I suggest you take out the cream cheese a few hours before doing this so it can soften up a bit. Now add in the bell peppers, the artichokes, and your spinach. Now just mix the rest of this until it's all combined. So once you're done mixing everything together, you're gonna want to dump it in your baking dish. Put it all in there. Smooth it out. And I had some extra mozzarella and parmesan, so I'm just gonna top this with the cheeses. Mozzarella on top. Oh yeah, and I also set my oven to 375. So I'm preheating that right before I started putting this in. Parmesan. So now you're gonna bake this for about 20 minutes or until the cheese starts to melt and brown on top. So here I have our finished spinach artichoke dip. As you can see, I put some chips around it in a small bowl. This will be good for like any party or something. So let's give this a taste. Ooh, it's slippery. Ow. I like the red bell pepper in it. I just spit a little. That's how good it is. Makes my mouth will water. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also comment down below to what you want me to do next. And also check out my Instagram and my Tumblr, where I'll be posting this lovely spinach artichoke dip on them. And I will see you guys later. Bye bye. Try to put in can't buy food again.
Oh my god. Jeez.
Oh, I swallowed my gum. Just a little piece.
Let me eat it first.
Well, we all know you like it either.
Hey everyone, it's Sal, and welcome back to my Hey everyone, it's Sal, and welcome back. God damn it. Hey everyone, it's Sal, and welcome back. God, why do I always mess up? Oh, my bad, I didn't press record. I'm weird. Why am I weird?